Howdy, hey bays. Today I'm going to talk about how I keep my afro hair healthy. A little bit about my hair. I have fine textured hair, so as you can see my strands are a bit on the finer side, but I have a lot of hair. My hair's fine, but my hair isn't thin. There's a difference. The first thing that I really stressed for keeping my hair super healthy is honestly a clean scalp and clean hair is your best friend. I wash my hair twice a week at least, so that's about like every 3 days. When I say wash hair, I mean I use shampoo on my hair. Shampoo with sulfates or without sulfates. I am not averse to using sulfates, so I use them. I actually have 3 shampoos to show you today for different purposes. You gotta embrace shampoo in your hair. A clean scalp is, it's just imperative, it's paramount. I'm really big on smells. Like I don't want my hair to smell. I work out, if I'm sweating and all the jazz, I don't want my hair to smell after 2 days. Like I just need it to smell nice, fresh, and I just think it just helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp. So one of my products that it's just holy grail for me for shampoos is Amika The Cure shampoo. I discovered this years ago, but like I took a break because I got caught up in the whole like, you know, YouTube era of like using different products, became a junkie, then I unlearned being a junkie. But Amika The Cure, the shampoo, this shampoo, like I can detangle my hair. Like I could detangle my hair with shampoo because this shampoo is just, my hair loves it so much. Like it's literally insane. So shampoo is really important. Find a line that works for you. Amika works for me really well, and this is just absolutely beautiful. This is like my normal shampoo, and this has sulfates. Not that that really matters, but if you care about those things, then you know, do what you will. Shampoo is my fave, and this is like what I use most of the time when I wash my hair twice a week. Another shampoo that I love is the AG Care Balance Apple Cider sulfate-free shampoo. If I want like a little more stimulation on my scalp because of the apple cider vinegar and other like ingredients in here that are really tingling on my scalp, so I like this for a little more of that, you know, if I did a clarifying shampoo before, I like using this to kind of like let the ingredients go into my freshly like stripped, not stripped in a bad way, but like detoxed hair and scalp. I like using this because I feel like the products penetrate a lot more, especially since I don't have any like sebums or like raw oils in it yet. So I actually really like it. And it's legit an amazing product. The only thing is that with this shampoo is like if you love like if you like slippery hair, like Amika's gonna give you slippery hair. Like it's Slip and Slide Records with Amika. With this gives you like very clean hair for sulfate free. Like if you feel like sulfate frees don't like clean your hair, this is definitely like way different. And I bought like the liter size version of these, so I just reused the same bottle and I really enjoy it. Also with apple cider vinegar, my hair is super shiny when I use this. My hair is shiny with Amika as well, but like this gives me like a good, I don't know how to explain it. It just makes my hair feel shiny, but it's like in a healthy plant-based way if I feel like being sulfate free, you know what I mean? So Balance shampoo, another one of my favorite shampoos I rotate. I probably use this probably like maybe like every 3 or 4 washes. I'll switch it up from the Amika and then switch to this just to confuse my hair a bit. So Balance shampoo, really bomb. Another shampoo that I really love, and this is a shampoo I would use like probably like once a month, or if I went swimming and I was in chlorine, I would use this shampoo. The Way Detox Shampoo. I really love this shampoo because one, like it smells amazing. Like it's really top tier. I'm a fan. And it actually really does like clean my scalp. I clean my hair with shampoo 2 times. So I do the first pass and, you know, massage my hair the first time, and then I do the same thing the second time to get like more into the scalp and just like the benefits of the shampoo. I think with the Way Detox shampoo, it's like a non-stripping stripping shampoo, and it makes your hair smell amazing, and there's a lot of benefits for this. And with this, I just pair it with the conditioner of choice with the two shampoos I showed you previously. I'm only using shampoos paired with the conditioner that it comes with. Like, if it doesn't come with the conditioner, then I just feel like I'm not going to use it. I just like pairing it together. Like, I just like to be organized that way. So I'll use the Way shampoo once a month to really clean my hair, you know, really get rid of any buildup in my hair, just to have that fresh start every month. And I'll just pair it with the conditioners of like the other shampoos that I love. So the conditioners I pair with those. So the Way Detox Shampoo, this is like a part of my first tip of having clean hair and like embracing washing your hair. Like, I know as like us girlies, I'm not trying to say that it's a wrong thing to do to like wash your hair every 6 weeks or every month, but I know for me, when I notice like really great hair growth, really clean scalp, really full edges, it's because I introduce water frequently in my hair, and that gives you that blood flow that your scalp needs to create new hair to be pushed out the follicles. It's a little bit of science, it's a little bit of common sense, and it's a little bit of hygiene. You just pick which one resonates with you the most. For me, it's all of them, especially hygiene. So I just want to make sure that my hair is like clean and looking fresh as much as I can. So cleaning the hair. This is the conditioner for Amika, and this is the conditioner for the AG Balance. So this is the Boost, and this is just the Bond Repair conditioner. So these two, I use these and I pair it with the shampoos that correspond with them. So just in case you're wondering, these are like my go-to shampoos. Like, I'm probably gonna buy these forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Another thing about keeping my hair super like caring for it is that I make sure that I use like leave-in conditioners that make sense. These two like make such a difference in my hair. The first one is the Effigy leave-in conditioner. This one's the Pro Vitamin one. This is just top tier. It's really light. I even like this if I straighten my hair, like if I wear my hair straight or I have a weave and my leave out just needs, I don't like having fine hair. Like, you don't want your hair to look sticky or like weighed down. So this is like very water based, and our hair loves water. So I love this. Top tier, amazing, bomb. The other one that I really love is Pureology, the Color Fanatic leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is like really bomb. Obviously, my hair is virgin. Actually, not obviously, I didn't tell you, but my hair is virgin. It's not colored. Like, this is my natural color of my hair. This is amazing. Like, it absolutely gives you the 21 benefits that it claims in the bottle. I can't attest for all 21 because some of the benefits are like for people that have colored hair, but for frizz, static, and making my hair feel soft and silky, this is the one. That's number 2. Always, always use leave-in conditioner. Always, always make sure that once you wash your hair out from the conditioner, you're putting something else to kind of, you know, seal those ends of your hair to have the moisture that it needs and deserves. After I do a leave-in conditioner, I put an oil in my hair. I utilize the L.O.C method, L.O.C, leave-in oil cream. And the oil of choice that I use after I put in the leave-in conditioner in the shower is the Moroccan oil treatment oil. This smells amazing. As you can tell, I care about smell a lot. I mean, if you've seen my perfume videos on my channel, you know I care about smell a lot. I love argan oil. Like, I use it on my face. Argan oil is just amazing, and I just love it, love it, love it. I put this probably like 2 pumps or 1 pump in my hair, in my hands, you know, slather it through and just like put it in my hair. After my leave-in conditioner, this is all in the shower, by the way. I do all my hair stuff in the shower because I'm just, you know, not lazy, but I just like to be done with my hair once I leave the shower, right? For applying products at least. And I put this on after my leave-in conditioner, and that's like me following the oil portion of the L.O.C lock method. So this is really bomb. It is gonna last a really long time, and it just smells amazing, and my hair feels so soft when it's dry. And I think it's because I've been adding this. I know it's because I've been adding this because I've done like you know, leave in and then add my gel, and then I like go about my day, day 2, and my hair feels kind of like, not as juicy as it could be. So yeah, you have to use oil on your ends or on your hair. Like, it's just a given. Like, for having an afro, especially if you're out and you're trying to make your afro look neat and fresh and beautiful, the oil is going to coat those strands and it's going to help you with that frizz too if you don't like a bunch of frizz or your cuticle is just misbehaving. So oil, oil, oil after I do a leave-in. So that's my step for, or a tip at least, for keeping your afro healthy and juicy. Speaking of Moroccan oil, I use their curl defining cream. So this is my cream in the L.O.C method. This curling cream is bomb. Like, it's absolutely amazing. It's very light. Like, it doesn't feel like sticky in my hands, but my hair loves it. Like, you can apply this dry or wet. I apply it wet, like soaking wet in the shower, and I absolutely love it. My hair absolutely loves it, and it's really a top tier product. And of course it pairs really well with the Moroccan oil treatment. So this is my cream in the L.O.C method, and this is what's gonna basically top off all the moisture retention steps. That's gonna keep your hair really moisturized and like good to go for the next few days before your next wash. I wear gels. I use 2 gels. One gel is like, this is my second big chop, so I've been using this gel since my first big chop, like the old days when I was like bald headed but didn't feel comfortable with like my newly cut bald headed hair. So Eco Styler, I stopped using this for a while and I was using other gels. And there's other gels that I really love. Let me know if you want me to do a gels video, because I definitely will tell you like other brands that I enjoy. I don't have them in stock with me at the moment, but you know, love them. Eco Styler though, I just feel like Eco Styler is always gonna deliver every single time, and that's just pure so. This is my last step in the shower. I pretty much get, you know, a big glob of this with my hands and rub it together, and then I just massage it through my hair and make sure it's fully saturated. Once I get out, my hair is like ready to be set and good to go. Another gel I really like, the Curlsmith gel, that's like the hydro style flexi jelly. Heavy on the flexi. This does not give you like a cast or like anything that feels stiff on your hair. Like, your hair is very flexible, it's touchable the first day, like day 1 hair. All the steps I did before, my hair is hydrated. Like, my hair doesn't feel crunchy because it's like, it's soft, it's pillowy, it's ready to go. So this is an alternative for people that like don't like Eco Styler, or you care about like botanical gels. If you like a botanical gel, this one is really bomb, and I feel like with the ingredients in here, it definitely is super good for your scalp. On here it does say scalp recipe, so it's really good for those with the fine hair. I hate when I put a gel in my hair and my hair doesn't move. We're here to move. Like, we move. I need the hair to move. So this is really good for people that have finer hair strands and you don't want it to be weighed down or feel like icky after day 2. Not the wave. Consistency is like number 1. You, number 1, need to be consistent with your routine. Washing your hair, if you can't do it twice a week, once a week at least will make such a difference in your hair. You will notice your hair like really acting correct, like proper cute, probably after like 3 weeks. You'll notice your hair start to really retain moisture more because it's used to being exposed to water and being saturated, you know? So I really hope this was helpful for you. That's really all the tips that I have. I hope you really enjoy your Afro hair journey. I'm Evie, Aswiti. I'm so happy you were able to join me for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are. Always remember that you glow for a living because you're lit from within, beyond skin deep. Bye.